My name is Lyndsey Pike, and I am a senior. So I would consider my project complete, and all of the necessary elements are included in the artwork, and small details have been incorporated in order to add more quality. The intended emotion of sorrow is portrayed, and I was able to achieve a smooth, lifelike drawing. If anything is to be improved, it would most likely be the hair. More detail could be added, such as individual strands that would frame the face. Other than small details, everything functioned as planned. Through the process of creating this design, I learned that I could manipulate a digital brush's size, opacity, and type. The primary brush pack used to create this artwork was a collection of pastel brushes that possessed certain aspects that allowed me to create a drawing that exhibited the style of an oil painting. In the artwork, there are evident distinctions of hues and textures. Effort was focused on blending to ensure that it was subtle enough to mimic the characteristics of an oil painting. In order to create multiple texture brushes, I altered the pastel brush pack. I was able to change the type of brush, which would in turn change the application. For this project, I focused mainly on using the pastel brush pack, as I said before, and the pastel charcoal fine grain brush was converted into a blender which enhanced the chosen model's textures. It added a rougher blend that I could not achieve with another blender. I also used a super grainy brush in order to apply the colors. For the project, the software Autodesk Sketchbook was used. The software is a free drawing program which my visual arts class has been working with, and although there are other softwares available, Autodesk Sketchbook comes with pre-installed tools and brushes that align with industry standard softwares. It also gives you the ability to refine and create your own brushes, free of charge. Even though I wanted a smooth digital drawing, I wanted to add more texture. And the texture was a very important element of my illustration, and in order to portray the painful expression fully, I wanted to use a rougher blend of brushes that added human-like characteristics. There are specific settings which allow me to change a brush's texture and blend in Sketchbook, and this was a very important element in my drawing. The changes in texture allowed me to imitate the appearance of human skin and hair. I created this artwork in order to visualize teen depression. In the drawing, there are two different views of the same person, one showing intense sorrow and the other smiling happily. I wanted to show that when shown to the public or friends or family, a person's mood can be altered in order to appease those around him. In all reality, the person is struggling. They are dealing with depression and fighting their own battles on their own. The presentable face serves as a mask that the melancholy one would wear when they present themselves to the public. The reason why I wanted to do this specific idea for this project is because I have been facing my own struggles these past couple months, and I really wanted to illustrate my own feelings and my own pain on the digital canvas. My mother passed away in September from stage 4 cancer, and most days I find it hard to step out of the house and put a smile on my face. I feel like I have to wear a mask because I don't want others to see my pain, and I really wanted to communicate that into the artwork. I serve as the melancholy one. I serve as the one that is going through the pain. And whenever I present myself to the public, to my friends, or to my family, I feel as if I have to wear a mask in order to cover my feelings that they would really not want to see at that moment in time.